Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. I'm a little bit lost on this question. Somebody sent me this file and said that she was using one of my videos where you round corners and she can't get it to make it all equal. And I don't know where they started at. So I'm going to, I just can't figure out what they're trying to accomplish or how they started is my question, I guess. So I'm just going to take the parallel dimension tool, and if we look, and we're just going to make some measurements, 0.14, that is 0.16, that is 0.11, so they're not equal regardless. So if your main objective is to draw something that like this, which is symmetrical, then I would just suggest starting over and taking the polygon tool, set on 5-sided, hold down your control button so it's perfect. You can only grab like 2 at a time, and then right click and turn them into a curve. And then you could probably grab that one and turn it in. Well, it's a curve too, because so any of these corners will work. And if you look, it's doing it equally the same time. And you could make it look kind of like her flower. But because it's doing everything equally at the same time. When I move this node over, it's doing that. And you could change this, change your pitch. And every item now is going to be perfectly the same shape. If you wanted a little bit more rounded petals. And just to so every one of them's perfect now, with the exception that we've got a flat top right there. So just take your node and just delete it. And then you could still go back and make it that kind of rounder shape. Now let's just test it to see if it's symmetrical. And we'll grab the parallel dimension tool, which really doesn't mean anything except for it's 2.01, 2.01, 2.01. So everything is symmetrical. I truly hope that will help her, because I'm a little bit confused with what she was doing here or how she was getting there. But as long as you keep it in a polygon form, you can change, you could actually still add a node there and do whatever you want to do with it. You could do that and make it a completely different looking flower. I hope that answered the question. If not, she will email me back. Thank you for watching.